Hi, today I want to show you how to run LTX 2.3 with the cross-view prompt LoRa on my 8GB of VRAM. The first thing you have to do is to download the LoRa from Hugging Face. And you can see there's a cross-view prompt and there are examples here. What the LoRa does is basically change the camera angle relatively to the existing camera motion. You can have camera movement in the source video and it just change, make it closer, further, or put it to the side. So it's basically a video to video LoRa. Unlike the Cameraman LoRa, which I have done a tutorial as well, this one doesn't do the camera movement. It's just basically reposition the camera. Okay, let's go to files here, and you will see the LoRa is about 100 meg. And the next thing is you have to go to Hugging Face to download the workflow. This one is the one I have downloaded. Okay, let's look at the workflow. As always, I have to adapt it to my environment. I'm using the GGUF distilled 1.1 Q5 for my 8GB of VRAM. And what I have done is I also disabled this one because it didn't work on my machine. So the other thing is you have to make sure you load the LoRa here. And I have also made a small change here in the upscale method to length source. And this is my input video. I have generated this in an older tutorial with 4 keyframes. So let me play the video first.
你来过这里吗？
没有。哇，你看我好看吗？
你来过这里吗？
Okay, that's 13 seconds of video. The source video is 640p and it's a little bit too large for my demonstration. That's the reason I put in a resize here to scale it down to 0.85. And here is the prompt. So what I've done is just move the camera to the left higher, same distance. Because normally when you move the camera higher, then the distance is already greater than the initial video. So these are all the examples. You can just copy and paste to change your camera angle. Okay, let me change the seed and generate a new video. And now let's do it. Okay, it's done. Let's check out the time. It took almost 1200 seconds. That's very long. Compared to the time I generated the source video, it took only about 624 seconds. And even with higher resolution, I already scaled down here. Okay, that's the result. You can see the camera has moved to the left and is pointing to the right. But it's still dolly back.
你来过这里吗？
没有。
Now it's showing more from the stores here.
哇，你看我好看吗？
你来过这里吗？
Okay, I will put it side by side at the end of the tutorial. Okay, next I want to show you with the 2D animation. This was generated with 2.2 some time ago. So let me show you the video. Okay. So this is the workflow. Because the source video has only 380p resolution, so I just leave this as 1. I don't want to scale it down. And there are also upscale nodes here. In the previous test, I just disabled, I only generated this part. Now I can generate it with the upscale because it doesn't take too long for that resolution. And my prompt is slightly to the right and higher same distance. I got 2D animation here. I think it will work without that as well. Just make sure it doesn't create something photorealistic. Okay, then let's go. Okay, it's done. Let's have a look at the time. 675 seconds. That's not too bad for upscaling included. So this is the upscaled version here. So let's check out the result here. That's very nice. So as you can see, it changed the camera angle totally from the top. In this case, it didn't take too long. Okay, I think that's all about the cross-view prompt LoRa. Unlike the Cameraman LoRa, this one doesn't introduce camera movement in the video. It just uses the source video and reposition the camera relatively to the source video. One thing you have to avoid, if your camera is already moving right or left, you better just reposition up and down. Otherwise, somehow it just gets confused. As you can see, it takes quite long to reposition the camera. I even downscale the video and it takes almost double as long as the initial video. So in that case, maybe I had better regenerate the video clip instead of using the LoRa to move the camera. But as you can see in my intro video, if I want to switch a continuous scene to different camera angle, the LoRa is perfect for doing that. Then you won't lose the consistency between the camera angles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
你来过这里吗？
没有。哇，你看我好看吗？
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.